Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's Day look using only drugstore products. Now, I was actually asked to do this by one of my subscribers, and I am doing this video for her, and she knows who she is. And yeah, I just figured I'd use all drugstore products and do like a simple, easy Valentine's Day look that you can accomplish within like 30 minutes and on a very, very affordable budget. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. For the very first product I'll be using, I'm using the Stay Matte Makeup Primer by Rimmel. I got this in my Ipsy bag like a long time ago, and this works really, really well to control the oil. I'm a very, very oily girl, and I need like stuff to help control that oils. I will link everything that I use down below, where to find it and how much it does retail for, so make sure you guys look for that in my description box, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my skin. So this is how, I'm just gonna use just a little bit and cover these bad boys. And I'm gonna press it in just because I feel like I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like by pressing it in, I'm really like filling my pores. Whether I really am or not, I don't know. But we're gonna pretend. For the next product I'm using my L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation in the color 103. Clearly you can see how dirty it is, how much use I get out of it. And I'm just gonna be putting it on the back of my hand, like I'm already like running out. And I'm taking my damp Flower Beauty sponge. This retails for $9. We found at Ulta, Walmart, anything that sells Flower Beauty. And it is an amazing sponge, very comparable to Beauty Bouncer, and it's half the price. I'm using the NYX Studio Photogenic Concealer. I should have done my eyeshadow first now looking back on it, because the eyeshadow I'm going to use definitely has a lot of fallout, and yeah, so I'm going to have a lot of wiping away to do. I completely forgot that the fallout on that one exists. I just got my eyebrows done, so my eyebrows look pretty good. For the next step, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder, and I'm going to bake my under eyes while I do my shadow, so that there's any fallout, like honestly it just like falls out onto the like setting powder and not my actual foundation, but knowing my luck, it would do both, you know. Alright guys, so while that is baking, I'm going to use my It's My Pleasure from ColourPop Cosmetics. I don't know why I just blanked out, but I'm gonna be using this palette to just get my look going. I did do a video on that, which I will link right up here above, and it also was like with my ColourPop mystery bag. That was such a fun mystery bag. I hope they do another one. So the color I'm using right here is gonna be color Kitten Fish. Now you guys can use any shades that you want, any purples, pinks, red that you guys find to create your own Valentine's Day look. I'm just doing something that's super easy and super quick, just because I don't like to spend a whole lot of time doing makeup. I work 40 hours a week. I don't have time to like do like 2 hours worth of makeup. That to me, that is just so much, you know? So I try to be like as quick but as efficient as possible. Unfortunately, I am not using my drugstore brushes. I have my BH Cosmetics Rose Gold set, but they are currently drying off because I did just wash them. So I am using my Morphe brush with Jaclyn Hill and the number JH32. So I do apologize for not using a drugstore on that. And Renee, if you're watching, I promise you I will use tape. I just don't have any at the moment, but I will. I promise I will. I'm looking so good. Now that color is laid down, I'm going to be using the color Fan Fiction. So I'm going to deepen this up a little bit. So the next color I'm going to use is the color Sleeper, and I'm just going to deepen up the edges. And I literally just want to just dab it on the end. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to use is the LA Girl Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. I got this in a pack back at Ulta during Christmas time, and it like literally retailed for like $6. And I will link that video right up here if you guys want to see that, because I compared this to the Stella. Liquid eyeshadows that they have, and this is very, very comparable, but literally at 1/3 of the cost. So I'm just gonna put it on my eyes, and pretty much that completes the look. This is in the color like rose gold. Take a little bit more sleeper and just pat out these edges. Very pretty. So pretty, so pretty. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Real Technique brush just to wipe away the powder, making sure there's no leftover shadow on my face. A lot of people use what would they use?
20 minutes later.
Lashes. They would use lashes to go ahead and do the next step, but I kind of want to just be like super basic. I don't want to have you to use lashes. Alright, so for the next step, I'm not going to apply lashes. I know most people would use lashes for this look, but I feel like if you're going to do something super easy and elegant, you don't have to use lashes. But if you do decide to use lashes, I do recommend the Ardell lashes, because they are super cheap, super affordable. They're really easy to work with, to blend with, to cut, trim, and apply. They're really, really easy, and I use a lot of Ardell lashes in a lot of my videos. I just like today I'm going to go more basic, and I'm going to use just a simple mascara. So I'm going to use the Big Colossal by Maybelline Mascara. And a lot of people struggle with lashes like I do, and I don't want to sit here and put on false lashes when I'm still at the best of it, still learning. So I figured, why not just use like a drugstore mascara, because you can get almost the same effect with it, you know, and it's super easy, and you don't have to sit here and struggle for 45 minutes with false lashes. Alright, now that lashes are done, I'm going to just take my JH30, just a universal blender brush. I'm just going to kind of buff out the edges right here, just the outer edge, just so that it's not such a harsh like color, you know, or it just doesn't look so harsh. It looks like a little bit more blended and cared for. Alright, now that that step is done, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to contour my face using the BH Cosmetics contour palette. You can find this on their website, and it literally retails for $10, and they have a matching one for blush, also retails for $10. So I'm going to take my Morphe brush, and I'm going to dig into these two colors right here. For blush, I'm going to use my NYX Baked Brush Illuminizer and Bronzer, and the color, well, Spanish Rose. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studios Metallic Highlighter. This is going to be the color Molten Gold. It's a really, really pretty highlighter, and it's gorgeous. It's actually one of the first highlighters I ever bought for myself. Look at that. Gotta get that Cupid's bow. Gotta get that Cupid's bow, you know? Gotta highlight the little tip of the nose, maybe the chin just a little bit, forehead just a little bit. Now, to finish off my eyes, I thought about doing eyeliner. I thought about doing shadow under my waterline, but you know what? I think it's really gorgeous the way it is. So I'm just going to put mascara on it and call it a day, because I want it to be something super easy but elegant at the same time. And not saying the other style is not elegant. It's just, I don't know. I know a lot of people who do watch me are beginner makeup users, and I want them to be able to follow this in a very, very easy steps, because God, I mean, I'm still learning how to do makeup. Like, I'm not a pro by any means, but I just want something super quick, super easy, and something that's just like is so pretty, you know? For the lips, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Paint in the color 314. It's a very, very just kind of soft pink, and I feel like nice and pretty. and it smells so good. Alright, and to wrap up this look, I'll be using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And spray it on. Alright guys, and this is the final look. And that is my Valentine's Day routine. I've never actually done a Valentine's Day look before. I did a holiday look, but I've never done a Valentine's Day look, and I literally had no idea what I was going to do going into this. I just grabbed all my drugstore stuff and it's like, I thought I was going to make a super easy look, something that you guys can follow. Like I said, you don't have to use my ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette. You can literally use any palette out there, any colors that you guys want to use. This is your look. I just did this because it works for me. The LA Girl liquid eyeshadows, like, they're gorgeous and they're really, really comparable to the Stella Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, which again, I will link that video up here, but right up here for you guys to watch. But yeah, I thought this look turned out really gorgeous. So I wanted to be something super easy, super quick, something you can do within like less than 30 minutes and then get out the door and go enjoy your Valentine's Day. Plus, everything that I use is affordable. So that is the best bonus. And everything that I use, it does steer more towards oily skin, because I did use a mattifier primer, a mattifier setting powder, a mattifying foundation, and a mattifying spray, because I'm very oily. It is what it is, and hopefully anyone out there who is oily just as me, you know, gets some use out of these products. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Congratulations on the winner for the Geoffrey Star giveaway. I did post the winners down below on the Geoffrey Star video, and this is my cat Jace, who I guess wants to join in on the video. Hey bubbies. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure if you guys like this video, give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I do post 2 videos twice a week. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye guys, and happy Valentine's Day. Boogies in my eye. Alright, so for starters, I'll be using the Stay Matte Rimmel Mask. Glitter and Glow liquid stuff and I'm taking my dimp, and I'm taking my, hey.
Hi.
What's up?
Hey, when do the tickets expire? Thursday, right?
The 15th, on Friday.
Oh, Friday. So do you want to just make it like Thursday night, and that way we can just go after 1 and I get out of work, and then you guys can come over to the house and we can just chill at the house for the night?
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, so we can go. Oh fuck, I'm working tomorrow night.
You are?
Yes.
What are you working?
PM 22.
Why?
Fuck, I totally forgot. I'm glad I just fucking remembered that, because I wouldn't have fucking been there.
Bye-buzz. Bubbykins.